Hey guys, Jason Catrone here.
I'm Katie Talbot.
And we are
Vocalab Collective.
Almost
Jason.
Katie.
Almost?
Well, I was going to say we're almost Vocalab Collective plus another collective.
Plus another collective coming soon.
Coming soon to a theater near you.
Yeah, I almost said that. Live in action. Live birth, everybody. No, not going to happen.
Not going to
do that, everybody.
happen. But we are going to live react tonight to a video which we haven't seen. Lots of suggestions.
Oh my gosh, lots of suggestions.
Yeah, but before we get there, let's hit those subscribe
Guys,
buttons.
subscribe!
All the, that would make anyone want to subscribe.
Subscribe!
Let's
Follow
do it.
us on Instagram. See all the stuff
Facebook.
about our lives.
Yeah.
Facebook. TikTok.
TikTok.
You here on YouTube.
And YouTube. Yeah, here we are. We've
I'm
hit
like,
all
did
the
we say them
subscribes.
all?
We sure did. Hey, yeah, hit those. Tell your friends, all the stuff. We love doing this. We have a great time. And we love having you along for the journey.
Yes.
But here we go.
Yeah.
Today.
Yes, we are doing Into the Unknown. It's part of a medley. So you guys let us know if you want us to react to the entire medley.
Yeah, we will.
This
We definitely will.
This was a very specific request.
Suggestion. So we're going to do it.
Yes.
Into the Unknown, Janella, Zephany, and Stell.
Yes.
So,
I'm
yeah,
excited.
part of this Disney Plus thing that happened not long ago.
Yeah.
You ready
Whoa,
for it?
Makes me dizzy.
Yeah. Let's go. Oh, wow.
Yeah, girl.
Every day's a little harder as I feel my power grow. Don't you know there's part of me that loves to go into the unknown, into the unknown, into the unknown.
Whoa, I love that. Great harmony.
Are you out there? Do you know me? Can you feel me? Can you show me?
They're so pretty. They look like Disney
They
characters.
do.
Are you going? Don't leave me alone. Into the unknown.
That last note.
Wow, so straight to the point.
Holy cow.
Out of the gate, big vocal,
Huge vocal.
3 times 3.
3 times 3. But guys,
That'd be 9.
meshing this together with three completely different voices, getting different parts down, it's hard. It is not easy. And the
No.
fact that she even brought into like When You Wish Upon a Star in there for a second, like,
Yeah.
which is like insane.
Yeah, totally. I think that's something that you pointed out that we don't think about all too often is how difficult it is for singers.
Totally.
Because they make it look so easy.
They really do.
right?
They
That looked
really
that,
do.
other than the energy, that looked really effortless.
Uh-huh.
But there was nothing easy about that.
No. And you're finding parts, right? So you're making this song that's a very well-known Disney song, your own times 3,
Yeah.
and meshing it into one song. And it's a very difficult thing to master, but they master it.
Oh, did they ever?
My gosh. And they
Also
do. They
love-
look incredible.
I know they're so cute.
I know.
I love how out of the gate too. It made me think of Jessie J because she's one of the few artists I know that just starts on a big high note in a song.
Yeah.
Most songs you start low and build into a chorus for big notes.
Yeah.
Bridge gets a little bigger and then that last chorus is huge, right?
Right.
But she came out hot.
We're going to have to do the whole medley
we have
in
to
live.
let us know
because-
if you want us to do the whole medley, right? If you want the whole medley, we'll do it.
Yeah, that was so good.
So incredibly good.
I was very curious of the male taking a high note, but I love that he came down for the
I know.
harmony.
I actually thought it was him. It tricked me.
Yeah.
Yeah, I thought he was going to
He came
go.
down for that harmony, which was like, it was so crisp and clean, though.
Ugh. Yeah, it was fantastic.
So good.
I wish I could have been at this event. Everything we've seen so far has just
Yeah,
been
this was recent, wasn't it?
spectacular. I think so. Yeah, pretty much sure it was not long ago.
Yeah.
So good. So good. Thank
Okay.
you for the suggestion.
Oh, that was a great suggestion, you guys.
What else do you have to add, Katie? Anything?
honestly, I will also say this. These are 3 big voices, right? This feels good to do.
I was like, what is she doing?
Because I'm petting myself. These are 3
we
big...
can't talk about that on camera.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I say something so innocent and you
There
turn
was
it...
nothing innocent about that.
Oh my gosh. But no, these are 3 diva voices.
Yes.
That takes really great voices, really great artists to be able to mesh together and
It
not
does.
try to overcompensate each other.
It does.
And that's a huge shout out
To be able
for
to
them.
blend together like that.
Yeah,
It's really
and not,
special.
Not make it about oneself, but about all 3 of them.
Yes.
I really respect and
Yeah.
love that.
No, for sure. Same.
Oh, I can't wait to see the whole thing.
I know. We're going to watch the whole thing. Another video. Hey, until next time,
Another
this has been
video.
great. I'm Jason Catroon.
I'm Katie
And
Talbot.
we are Vocal Lab Collective.